Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for insights into the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that continues to redefine the compact SUV segment. From cutting-edge technology to refined performance, Toyota's taken the RAV4 to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes this latest model so impressive. A bold new look. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 boasts a sleek, modern design that's sure to turn heads. Its aggressive front grille, updated LED lighting, and sharp body lines create a striking profile. Toyota has embraced aerodynamic enhancements, making this model not only stylish, but also more efficient. Available in a range of bold new colors and wheel options, the 2026 RAV4 caters to those who want to make a statement on the road. Electrified powertrain options. Toyota continues its commitment to sustainability with the RAV4 lineup. The 2026 model features an expanded range of electrified powertrains, including a refined hybrid system and an all-new plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, while the plug-in model offers an extended all-electric range, perfect for eco-conscious drivers. For those craving a bit more performance, the RAV4 Prime steps in with nearly 300 horsepower, giving you the thrill of a sports car in an SUV package. And don't worry, Toyota hasn't forgotten about fuel efficiency. With improved battery technology and optimized engine tuning, you can expect best-in-class mileage. Advanced technology at your fingertips. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is packed with state-of-the-art technology designed to enhance your driving experience. The centerpiece is the updated infotainment system, featuring a larger, high-resolution touchscreen with faster response times and seamless smartphone integration. Whether it's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or the built-in voice assistant, staying connected has never been easier. Toyota has also introduced over-the-air updates, ensuring your RAV4 always has the latest features without a trip to the dealership. Plus, the digital driver display provides customizable options to keep important information front and center. Safety you can rely on. Safety has always been a top priority for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 is no exception. The latest model includes Toyota SafetySense 3.0, the most advanced suite of driver assist features yet. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking all come standard. New for 2026 is a predictive safety system that uses AI to anticipate potential hazards based on driving patterns and conditions. This innovation sets a new benchmark in vehicle safety technology. Comfort meets versatility. Inside, the 2026 RAV4 offers a premium experience. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and panoramic sunroof create an inviting atmosphere. The cabin is quieter than ever, thanks to improved insulation and noise-canceling technology. For families and adventurers, the RAV4 shines with its versatile cargo space. The rear seats fold flat effortlessly, providing ample room for everything from luggage to outdoor gear, and with available hands-free liftgate access, loading and unloading is a breeze. A trim for every lifestyle. Toyota ensures there's a RAV4 for everyone. Whether you choose the efficient LE, the stylish XLE Premium, or the rugged adventure trim, you'll find features tailored to your needs. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the TRD off-road model, which comes equipped with enhanced suspension and all-terrain tires. The 2026 RAV4 caters to luxury seekers as well, with the platinum trim offering premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting and an exclusive JBL sound system. But in conclusion, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is a testament to Toyota's dedication to innovation, performance and sustainability. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, cutting-edge technology, or eco-friendly powertrains, this SUV has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Could this be your next SUV? Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled.